Hello everyone. So the module called Sales Custom Checklist helps user to create checklist as well as their template to get a track on all the sales records as well as a checklist which will monitor all the progress ongoing. Let me show you how that works. First we go into sales. Over here in the configuration we have two new fields which are sales checklist template. Let me go into sales checklist. As you can see, I have created multiple checklists over here. You can simply create it by clicking on new and add the name as well as all the description. As into this one I have added email as the name and description will be sent all the information via email. This is how you can create all the checklist. Once you created the checklist, let me go into sales checklist template. Here you can create a template in which you can add multiple checklists. So once you can simply select this template and get all the checklist along with it. Let's say if you want to add the reports over here, so I will just simply click over here in the drop down and click on the reports. So this is how you can create a checklist as well as their template along with multiple checklists. Once you have created both of them, let me go into sales and check the process. So I will go into quotation. Here you can see the given progress over here in the list. You can see the same on Kanban view as well. So here you can see the Kanban view. As you can see in the Kanban view as well, you can see the multiple progress over here, that this one is 50% done, this one is 0% done. So you will get an idea of the current ongoing process. Let me show you how you can add the checklist in the sales order and get the track of it. So I will create a new sales order and show you how this checklist works. So once you create a sales order, let me add one or two product over here. Now see a new tab in the sales order as checklist. So you can simply click here and add the template which are already created. So I wanted to add the check. As you can see, once I add the check, it will auto fetch all the related sales checklist. If you want, you can also add multiple. If I want to add the done as well, it will automatic add all the sales checklist related to that template. As you can see, this is the sales order, and into the checklist I have added all the checklist. You can see the complete as well as the cancel button over here, also the state of the current checklist. So if I send this as a mail and request for quotation, I'll simply click over here and the quotation is sent. So according to that, we have completed this two. One is quotation and the other one is email. So this two is completed. I will just click on complete and it get completed. You can simply add complete or cancel. You can also cancel this one stage. As you can see, according to complete cancel, the process is changing. Let me cancel this one also. Just with the complete and cancel click, you can get the track of the checklist as well as monitor the process. We confirm this as this is created a sales order. Now let's go and check from the menu how you can filter it out. As you can see, this is the list view, this is the all progress, as well as you can see the same progress in the Kanban view also. So this one is completed, this one is not completed, so you can get the process also. Here in the filter you will also get two button, which is sales checklist completed, sales checklist uncompleted. You can simply click on the completed and you can see all the completed ones. If you want to see the incomplete one, you can click over here and get the all incomplete ones in the same view. So from this module you can simply create a checklist and it will get you an idea of all the ongoing processes in the Kanban view as well as in the list view with all the filters like complete and incomplete. So if you have any query, you can write down your query in comment section below. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.